Okay guys, sorry, I need to wet this and then I have to dry it out so they can go back together, okay? Just wait, okay? Wait. Okay guys. Oh, this is heavy. Now our lettuce is in the water. Oh yeah. What happened to this? Now we're going to let's put it. Yeah. Okay guys, I'm back. Here's the result of what it looks like. This is our lettuce.
Ito ba kinain nyo? Dito wala dito. Dito po na pagkain.
Actually nga, patapos na rin kami eh. Wrapping up na rin.
No.
Okay, guys.
Ay, makunti naman kasi naman nagluto ako.
I just going to tell you a quick thing. It's just a challenge. This for my
Thank you.
So guys, we need to separate them by after like 5 minutes on this video. So basically 4 minutes, right? Oh yeah. This one here. Wait, just wait here guys. Oh wait. Again. Guys, I really need to wash.
I tried to keep my phone back.
Okay guys, after if this video is on 3 minutes 30 seconds, I will start.
Baka yun, kinukulang ng oxygen ng utak nyo, kaya kung makikita kayo yung utak.
Oh wait guys, I forgot they need this is what they look like now. This is what they look like.
Wala ka na bang inadon?
This time. Oh my god.
Bawal pa sabihin.
Yes. Is this even my hair? I'm doing this for subscribers. Oh my god. Okay, I can show you guys. I'm so sorry. You guys can see. Oh god. If it's 4:30 here, I'll stop. Okay, that's it. I'll stop now. Wait guys, I'll pause. Okay, don't pause it. Just wait guys, I'll just drain this. I'll just pause the video. Okay guys, I'm done drying it. These are your lettuce. You made you're supposed to make them bigger, and I'm going to teach you how to make them bigger
Kasi wala ko
in the next video.
Kahit sa
Anak,
Mars pa yan, I can
you know
do
what?
anything.
I'll
Totoo lang, hindi ko pa kasi naisip yan eh.
yeah,
Pero,
just
now
that's
that
how.
you mention it,
So guys,